welcome to my cooking show. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple homemade barbecue sauce. Now here are all the ingredients you're going to need. I have 1/4 cup of water, onion, thyme, and bell pepper. Also, you're going to need salt, cooking wine, vinegar, honey, ketchup, sugar, smoked paprika, Worcestershire sauce, molasse, honey mustard, garlic, and sweet chili powder. Now I'm going to blend all my seasons here. Also, you're going to need a bowl and a whisk. Now I'm going to blend all my seasons. Like this. Then I'm gonna put it on the stove and just saute. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the stove to make sure my season is cooked. So now I just put a little olive oil in the pot because I'm gonna saute my blended season just to make sure it's cooked. My God, this has a beautiful aroma. Now here I'm sauteing my season. I just put a little olive oil in the pot. I just need my season to be cooked. You can make the sauce on the stove top, but cooking don't have to be so hard. It's simple and easy. So now here you see me sauteing the season on the stove top. You can make the sauce completely on the stove, like you just do this, then add all your ingredients in a bigger pot. But I'm just gonna do it in the bowl because it's easier that way. I'm just gonna saute this for like 5 minutes until I think my season is cooked. Here I'm sauteing my seasoning. Okay guys, now here's my season. I cooked it. Now I'm just gonna add all the ingredients and combine. Here I'm adding the ketchup. That's half cup of ketchup. I'm adding the cooking red wine. That's like 1 tablespoon. I'm adding a tablespoon of vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Now here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of molasses. One tablespoon Westchesteror sauce. One tablespoon honey mustard. This is like 2 tablespoons brown sugar. One tablespoon honey. Just a pinch of salt. You don't have to put it if you don't want to. Here I'm adding my chili powder. It's like 1/4 teaspoon. This is optional also because it's spicy. If you don't want it spicy, please don't add it to your bowl. Now here I'm adding my smoked paprika. I want to get the smoke flavor from the paprika. Now I'm just gonna mix everything together. So I put like 1/4 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon paprika. Now I'm just gonna combine together. You want to mix the sugar out. And there you have it, guys. My homemade barbecue sauce. You can also put this on the stove top and make it thicken. I'm just gonna go ahead and use mine like this. There you have it, guys. Look at that. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.